Step into the vibrant world of the Maasai, a community where the rhythm of life moves with the earth and sky. In the heart of East Africa, the Maasai people embody a lifestyle that teaches us profound lessons about community and sustainability. Every morning, as the sun paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, Maasai elders gather the children. They don't just teach them to read or write, but how to listen. To the cattle, to each other, and to the stories of their ancestors. Prayer is vital, not just as a spiritual practice, but as a daily gathering that strengthens communal bonds. Here, they share news, celebrate joys, and support each other through challenges. It's not just about religion, it's about maintaining a lifeline of community spirit and resilience. Caring for cattle is another cornerstone of Maasai life. These animals are not just livestock, they are a family's wealth, status, and survival. Through the cattle, children learn responsibility and the importance